So we're just getting this cookies and cream like ice cream milkshake thing.
Okay.
So it says first peel and pop it in. When you pop it in, it says choose your like thing. I'm picking regulars. Oh, it's vending. Oh, it's gonna sound so loud.
Yeah. Now blending. That's like a loading screen.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
In there somewhere.
Come on. Oh, I hate the noise.
Oh, go in. No, don't.
Hurry up, I hate the noise. It's so bad. It's just like right in the middle of the two.
2, 1. Oh,
Oh,
here's an extra blend.
oh God.
Oh, it's gone quiet. No, blending again. There you go.
Okay, there it goes.
Let's have a look. Have it.
Remove and enjoy. Yogurt.
There you go.